Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So guys, over here is a case. You can see the succulent is all green from above, but the lower leaves have turned brown. Now the reason is because it has got completely burned, the lower leaves. Now I was acclimating this succulent, but by accident I kept it in a place where it was getting a little bit extra light, especially on the lower portion. This is where there was a lot of direct sunlight that was falling onto it. So while in the process of acclimating it, the lower leaves happen to get burnt. So guys, ensure now there is no harm to it. The succulent will still do quite well, but aesthetic wise the succulent is not going to look very appealing, especially for a lot of people who love their succulents to be very symmetrical. The succulent will be very good from the above, but the place where it has been burnt, those leaves will stay permanent until those leaves dry up and fall off. Now in this case, what I would say is never ever pull out those dry leaves. Let it be as it is. For some time the succulent is going to look slightly unpleasing to look at, but over the period of time the succulent is going to have new growth, and this will all cover up the lower leaves and it will not be visible. A lot of times people, the moment they see that the leaves have turned brown because they got sunburnt, they tend to pull it out and it tends to cause more harm. So whenever you have a situation like this, just leave those brown leaves as it is. They are not going to harm your succulent. Eventually the succulent will get rid of it automatically. So you just leave them as it is. You just focus on the health of the succulent. Do not give it more direct sunlight, otherwise even the upper portion will get burnt. So right now the succulent is in indirect bright light, so it is going to recover very soon. But unfortunately these brown leaves are permanent. They cannot be reversed back to green. They will eventually fall off, and the new growth on the crown area will kind of cover up, and it is going to have the symmetrical growth once again. So if you have a situation like this, please do not panic. Please do not spray anything on the succulent. It is not related with any kind of fungal attack. It is just that the succulent was not acclimated. Probably you had left some water on the leaves, or the succulent was not acclimated to direct sunlight, due to which the succulent happened to get burned. At the same time, I have another succulent which is very colored and it's doing extremely well because it has been acclimated to morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. It has those bright colors to reflect that strong light. This one was green in color. It was still in the process of acclimating, so it was not completely acclimated. Hence, as you can see, the leaves have got burnt. So ensure that you acclimate your succulents before you put it out in direct sunlight. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.